how to manage your streamer shelf settings on your channel on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Twitch. This is the home page. Now go here to your profile picture and go down to settings. After you go to settings, now all what you have to do is so simple. Just click here on channel and videos. After you click on channel and videos, now all what you have to do is click here on featured content. After you click on it, scroll down and here you will find my streamer shelf, and you will be able now from here to manage your shelf type easily. After you finish, just click here save. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.